Hey guys, how you guys doing out there? There's a quick update of the Pepe bus build as it starts to rain. As you know, we're all in lockdown at the moment. It's a strange situation to be in for all of us. We don't know what's happening, how long it's going to take, what we're supposed to do. So we're just doing our bit by staying at home, and like the rest of you, we'll see how this plans out. Hopefully it won't take too long, and hopefully everyone will get through this safely. What we did want to share is a quick update on the bus build. We've got a video from last year. It was May last year, in fact, that we were last there due to certain things, a lot of things, which we'll explain in another video. I just wanted to say this would have been a perfect time to do some work on the van, but we can't because the shops are closed and we need paint, we need screws, we need a lot of materials. Need some plumbing stuff, little things. It's not going to happen now. So yeah, just like everybody else, everyone's in the same position. So hopefully you guys just chill out there. Maybe this will cheer you up a little bit. A lot of people have asked us about how it is with Pepe. How's it going with the build? Here's the one from last year coming up right now, and in the next video we'll explain a bit more about why it has taken so long to get back to getting on the build. So guys, stay safe out there. Let's get through this thing. Hopefully it'll be a lot better in a few weeks time and we can pick up where we left off. But in the meantime, thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Morning campers. It's been a while, I guess, but we're still here, still plugging away. We're battling to get time. Work is getting in the way, sadly, but we're getting slowly but surely. We're getting there. We're doing little things when we can. Vic has been really busy. She's done a lot of work here. This is basically done now, which looks fantastic. I didn't know she was a plumber. Today we're doing a lot of other little things. We've got our little sink up there here, which needs a drain.
Yeah. Can I just add that it's the ugliest thing I've seen, but all the ones I like are just too deep, and space is really important to us right now. So I'm compromising on it, because look how shallow the little fitting is.
Yeah, that's from a caravan parts store, so
yeah,
I hope it works. So yeah, this has to go in here now, somewhere. So what we managed to find...
Probably there, yeah.
So what we managed to find is this, which comes from IKEA. Isn't it great? I think it's for wood, not for steel.
We'll soon see.
Give it a go.
Yes.
Yeah, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll have to bring out the...
jigsaw. Sawzall! The good old trusty sawzall.
Yeah, we're putting it here.
This is so exciting. Oh, right. Ooh. Wow. I'm guessing it's not for steel.
Oh, my ears ringing. It's this thing. Yeah.
Making any dent.
Oh, it's...
super hot. Wow. Okay, so all it is.
Jigsaw.
Or is it getting there? Jigsaw. Cool.
Plumbing 101, huh?
Oh, that's great. We got a sinkhole. That's magic.
Pretty convincing to me.
Yeah, that looks really cool. Do we silicone it or don't you need to because of the O-ring?
This is O-ring top and bottom. Normally that's enough.
Okay, very cool. Yay, that is amazing.
Right, piece of hose, right? What am I doing with this? Well, this is the old drainage pipe. This pipe came from the old sink and down into the grey water tank. So it ended there, and our sink is over here. So I bought some pipe of different diameters, and as luck would have it, or planned luck, this one fits in here.
No ways. That's so cool.
So fit that in there, and that one fits on here.
That's so cool.
So
Magic.
done.
Oh,
Nice and easy. Just need a hose clamp, and we're done.
yippee! That's really cool.
Next project.
Awesome.
Next one will be this one,
Yeah?
which we need to find some
Oh, that's a hot and cold.
yeah, to clamp onto here.
Okay. Don't they fit?
Well, they're both female, right?
Oh. Right.
So
Do you know which one's hot and which is cold?
we don't yet, because we don't have a hot water tank yet, a boiler,
Right.
which we will soon. Anyway. Cool. Moving on, man.
Yay! Check! So we only silicone the sink in when all the piping is properly done, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is just the beginning.
Okay. Cool.
So where are the hose clamps?
Yes.
Anybody know?
So dude, what you up to?
Well, we're trying to be a plumber at the moment. It's a little bit of a headache. That bus is very low, you can hardly get in there. But I managed to figure it out because originally the water heater was inside. We can have a quick look there. So basically the water comes from the back, from the water tank, runs through the water pump up to here.
So the water pump is there now.
This is where the water comes in.
So is that cold water?
This is the cold water, obviously.
Okay.
It's coming from the water tank.
Okay.
It used to go up to a point here where there was a boiler,
Yeah.
and then back down, feeding your tap.
Right.
But now we're putting the water boiler on the other side of the van. Thinking anyway, the water comes from the water tank, splits off up to the tap over here. The other one goes down underneath the van to the cold water for the shower and to the boiler.
Right.
Then from the boiler it has to go to the shower and back down underneath to the hot water tap here, which is the new pipe we've just pulled.
Right.
So basically we're just doing that.
Doing what?
Basically swapping it over.
Alright.
The boiler used to be on this side of the van with pipes running there, now it's on that side of the van running here. But we need to get cold water to the boiler.
Right.
So any comments, let me know, man. I think I'm doing it right so far. We'll see you later.
Wow, that's super.
Cool, huh?
Yesy. That looks magic. Well done. Yippee.
Looks a lot better than it did.
Yes. Hey, this is such fun. I didn't know about these funny plane things. I've only seen a straight blade one, but this is a specific funny angle thingy, and you've got to do it just right. Otherwise, I was doing it the wrong way and I wonder why it wasn't working. But how exciting is this? I'm busy making some, these are our little drawers that are going to go into our cupboard. So I'm basically drilling holes into, just 2 holes, and then I've got the leftover string. This is still from our hammock, so this hammock has been very useful. And so you can see our drawers. I mean, look how cool this is. So you can just, so on the inside, I've just done, I've used a washer on the one side to tie it, and then on the other side I've just done a little knot. So voila, there we go. It's so easy, so simple. And I need to plane down this other one because it was just catching on the edge, so hopefully that'll fit. Let's give it a go. Much better. It was getting stuck. But I might just do a little bit more so it fits a little bit easier. Yay! It's all coming together. Very happy. Oh. No, you see, wrong way.